Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with another WNBA Prizm hobby box. And looking for some good luck, good mojo here. So brought out both the Sabrina autos that I have. If you haven't checked out the first hobby box video I posted, give it a look. We get an awesome hit out of it. Might be a little bit of a spoiler, but definitely worth the checking it out. So we're gonna go ahead. I bought two of these, and first one traded us well, so I'm gonna dive into the second. So let's go ahead and get this going. So we get 12 packs in this, 12 cards per pack, 2 autos per box, and we're gonna see if it can be good to us like the first one was, or maybe even better. That's what I'm hoping. So what we'll do, we'll open it up here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all the packs out. And we'll set the box off to the side for this video. Usually I leave them in the background, but I'm gonna leave it to the side. So all right, let's go here so we can get it set up well, and we'll jump right into it. So hoping to get something really cool out of this. Would love maybe a black 101 or something really low numbered like a gold or black gold. Would be awesome to hit, and hopefully get some awesome Sabrina cards. That's the goal. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get Bria Holmes here. Odyssey Sims. Lavender. Okay. Not bad with Michaela here. Starting off pretty good centering there too. That looks really good for a base card. And we're going to get Stephanie Dolson. Hyper. In our blue. It is a rookie. Looks like it's going to be... Oh, it's not who I was thinking. So awesome. So we get Jasmine Walker for the Sparks. It's a good hit. Centering's not too bad either. Pretty good. Blues are going to be numbered here to 149, so we get 64 out of 149. I'm going to set that down and sleeve, at least get a penny sleeve on that one. Off to a solid start. Getting numbered rookies is always a good thing. And Crystal Dangerfield. We have Courtney Vandersloot, Brittany Sykes, Ariel Powers, Kayla Thornton, and Hines Allen. Awesome. So good start. Okay. Start off with Milana Smith, Candace Parker, Ariel Atkins, Walk, and Charlie. Okay. Ooh. Not a fan of that though. That, you guys, yeah, you kind of see right there this print line. It almost looks like it's a print line where an auto would go, like they would box it in. But and then we get Kayla Copper. We'll set this down. So this is going to be the Ruby Wave here. So they're not numbered, but pretty good shape. Centering a little bit off, but that print line is horrific. Nonetheless, we'll still sleeve it up. I don't believe we got a lot of Charlie in the first opening. I remember hitting a base towards the end, but I think that was like it. So it wasn't a lot. So we get a Brittany Griner, Fireworks. Mia Davis, rookie. And get Asia Wilson here, Thomas, and Laney to finish up. So not a bad start. Couple good rookie pulls right off the bat. And we're going to get Alicia Gray, Courtney Williams, Skylar Diggins-Smith, Isabel Harrison, Enrique, and Lynx Aerial Powers, and that's going to be the red there. So red numbered to 299. Set that down. We'll throw a sleeve on it. Now, looks like there's just one prism there. So Rike, I think was a silver, yeah. Just not. Interesting. So we get Sabley, she's not a prism either. Jefferson, Katie Lou, Brown and Turner, Sophie Cunningham, and then we get a Sabrina base. Go ahead and sleeve her up. Centering's not too terrible, still a little bit off, but not horrible. That was kind of a gypped pack there. Let's go back later and double check none of those were, but yeah, I think we got a little gypped on that. Alright, and I think we're gonna get our first, no, I don't think so. Candace Dupree, Chelsea Dungy rookie, whoop. Courtney Vandersloot, Brittany Sykes, and Bridget Carrollton, Hyper, and Brianna Jones, something on the back there, and we do get our first auto. I couldn't tell for sure. So we're going to get Cheryl Ford. So we'll throwback action there. Just a base auto. So we've got a good handful of these vet players, kind of older players that are, of course, retired and kind of legends to the WNBA, which is cool. Get that. Set her to the side there. And Sheva Hill, Emma Meesman, Kelsey Mitchell, Chelsea Gray, and Gondrzic. So we hit where we get the other auto pretty soon. I'll probably save it for the end, but we'll see. Shouldn't be in any of these, but you never know. Powers, Kayla Thornton, Hines Allen, Nia Davis, Jackie Young, Ruby, purple, Kayla McBride, very nice. And then purples are limited to 99. Get her in a sleeve in a second here. Rike, Get Hyped, then Copper, Jones, Kylie Shook, Canada, and Elena Deladon. Yeah, so decent box so far. I wouldn't say great. I thought we started off a little hot and it's kind of cooled down. But only for us to heat up in the second half is what I'm thinking. We get McDonald rookie there, Carter, Vivian's, Sue Bird. Ooh, nice cracked ice. Couple rookies there with Elia Wilson and Gondrzic. So that's very nice. Throw some penny sleeves on these two young ladies. We gotta be happy with some of the rookies that we're getting with the prisms, different prism variations. Centering on that one, you can see is pretty atrocious. Like there's a big gap there. Then we get a Fearless Brianna Stewart, Tina Charles, Diana Taurasi. Should be a Sue Bird after that. Or Brianna Stewart, that's what I meant. Hamby and Lauren Cox. So blew that calling with the card. I think Brianna Stewart, but that's alright. And I think that's going to be our next auto with an orange. So we're going to save that for the end. Just set that right there. And then this one here. So we get Kylie Shook, from Canada, Elena Deladon. Gonna get another rookie here with Rupert, and then Chelsea Gray. Set those aside, get the rookie Hyper there sleeved up. Then we get Sue Berg, Diamond to Shields, Jones, Prince, McCautry, and Lloyd. Start off with a rookie there. Gonna get a couple reds here. Bonner, Kinners, Elizabeth Williams, Tasha Cloud, and Mariah Jefferson. Then we get a dominant Sue Bird, Hebert, a couple rookies in Dangerfield and Watts, followed by Christy Tolliver, if you know, you know, and then Willoughby. 3 packs left, plus the auto pack. Can we get something huge? Would be awesome. Wilson, Sibley, Thomas there, Stuck. And then, okay, Kylie Shook and Tierra McCallum. Then Wilson, Queena, Jasmine Walker. So kind of separating the rookies away from the base so we can keep a hold of those. And we get Laney, Jefferson, Katie Lou, Turner, Sammy Wickham, Hyper, followed by a horribly off-center Diamond to Shields. Go ahead and sleeve her. Age Wilson, Donald, and some more base. We do get a Sue there. Last pack, rip, and then go through the other one with the auto. Good. Ooh, another Sabrina base there. Set that to the side. And we need Billings, Jordan Canada. We get Sims, Lavender, another Michaela, Lena Smith, and Candace Parker. Throw a sleeve real quick on this Sabrina. I think the other Sabrina was a little better centered. This one's still not too bad. And then down to the final pack. So we do get an auto here. Let's see. We're going to go like this. A little bit there. Set that there. Sylvia Fowles, this is Thomas, and Cowan, Mabry, Mitchell, Gray. Had a handful of Kondrazic here. All right, so what we're gonna do, we'll separate like this. So we'll check out the orange in itself first, and we'll check the auto out. So we get Jones and Fever Tiffany Mitchell orange. I can separate it. Sorry, guys. Struggling there. Okay. So Mitchell, the orange. I don't think we got an orange last video, so they are out of 50. So a little more short print. And definitely get a sleeve on that. And then last but not least, we have our auto here. So we're gonna flip it. It does look like it's a silver, and boom, Atlanta Dream rookie, Ari McDonald. Very nice. So we do get the silver there. Let you guys check out the back. Pretty good condition, centering pretty decent. a little bit off from left to right, but not too bad. Top to bottom, not too bad. So very nice. So we get a rookie auto here. We did not pull a rookie auto in the first box, which I was pretty convinced that every box had at least one rookie in it. So, but we won't complain because we did get the awesome Sabrina card. So decent box here. I'm happy with it. Not as happy as probably the first box, but again, I was a little biased with it. So kind of recap a few of the bigger hits here, with these numbered cards. With Mitchell out of 50, several of the rookies, or McBride out of 99. Got a Sabrina base there. Ariel Powers, Charlie with the horrible print line, Jasmine Walker, and several other ones. So thanks guys for checking out the video. Let me know what your favorite card and hit from the video was, and if you think this box was better or the first box. And if you want to see any more, please just subscribe, leave a comment, like, and if we get enough, I may get my hands on one more hobby box. But until then guys, thanks, take care, and we'll see you soon.